Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. How are you?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Any reason why you're filming the police station?
Yeah, there is a reason. Yeah.
What is the reason?
Can you please identify yourself first?
Sorry?
Can you please identify yourself first?
I'm Sergeant Mark Coates.
Sergeant Mark. And show number?
Show number's there.
5377.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, I'm independent journalist. I'm gathering footage for a story.
You're an independent journalist?
Yes.
Have you got press?
Get ready to witness a tense audit showdown in the City of London. Alan Norman is about to cross paths with police officers who will take a simple encounter and turn it into a full-blown confrontation. From the very first moment, accusations of suspicious behavior set the stage for a clash over rights, power, and accountability. This isn't just another stop. It's the start of a battle where every word matters.
Pass.
I'm independent. So.
Okay, you don't work for anyone then?
So do you know what independent is?
Are you working for a particular company?
No, I'm independent. I work for myself.
So what is the purpose of filming today?
Just gathering some footage for a story, sir.
What's the story?
I cannot tell you. I'm still working on it, so I cannot say it.
But what is the reason that you're filming? Because this is a secure police building.
Yeah.
We obviously have to ask questions why people are filming.
Yeah, and I told you.
You haven't. You said it's for a story, but you haven't told me what the story's about.
But I don't have to tell you what the story is about. I'm still working on it, right? So it's not finished. If it's finished, when I publish it, you'll see what the story is. But I'm still working on it, so I don't want to compromise my story.
You're not going to compromise the story, because I'm not. From my point of view, I just need to be happy you're here for the right reason.
The officers make their first approach, accusing Alan of glaring at them and acting suspicious. Alan stands firm, refusing to answer questions he is under no obligation to. The officers, unsatisfied with his silence, insist he must respond. This moment marks the first spark of confrontation, a man calmly exercising his rights against officers determined to impose authority without justification.
Yeah.
Because police officers and police buildings are potential targets for terrorism and attacks, etc. So I have to be happy, the reason why you're here.
So how can I make you happy?
By telling me what the idea is your story is about.
I cannot tell you about the story. I'm just gathering some footage, so I'm an independent journalist, and that's it really.
But you've got a story in mind.
Yeah, I do have a story in mind, yeah.
So I need to know what that story is about. Is it to do with what security like around the police building, what the coming and goings?
I cannot tell.
Because the route we're going to go down is you're going to be stopped and searched under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Whereby we will seize your phone, we'll look at your phone and say,
you're going to seize my phone?
We can seize your phone if we feel we have to.
What grounds, sir?
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
But what grounds? What grounds?
I'm just telling you, let me explain.
Okay.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, you can be stopped and detained and searched. And part of that search, we can look at your phone and we can see what photographs you've got.
Yeah, but
don't turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning my phone off.
Take your phone off, we will see.
No, I'm not turning your phone off.
Right, so that's the route we can go down. I'm not saying we will go down that route, but at the moment, I'm not satisfied. The reason why you're filming here, you've told me it's for a story.
Yeah, I'm an independent journalist.
Yeah, you told me that.
Yeah.
But you can't tell me what the story's about.
But
do not turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning it off. I don't want.
I'm going to seize your phone now.
I'm not turning.
I'm going to seize your phone at the moment. You said you because you seem to be trying to. It's for a story.
Yeah, I'm an independent journalist.
Yeah, tell me that.
Yeah.
But you can't tell me what the story's about.
But
do not turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning it off. I don't want. No.
I'm going to seize your phone now.
I'm not turning.
I'm going to seize your phone at the moment under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act because you seem to be trying to turn it off.
No. Just because I couldn't hold it. Please keep recording. Keep recording. Yeah.
Escalation comes fast. The officers inform Alan that he is detained under Section 1 of PACE, despite providing no solid grounds. Alan demands lawful reasoning, citing Article 5 of the European Convention on Human Rights, while officers claim his demeanor is enough to justify detention. In an instant, handcuffs are applied, turning a simple stop into a physical restriction of liberty. This is where the stakes rise sharply.
I'm not going to stop. I want to keep recording, sir. I want to keep recording.
You can still record.
Okay.
But on two occasions, you went like that to press a
button. No, because I'm just filming and I just wanted to make sure I hold it correctly. I don't want to stop filming. Please keep filming. Now it's stop filming. I want to continue filming. Can I continue filming?
Have you got any ID on you, sir?
Sorry.
Listen to my.
Sorry, I just want. Sorry, can I just want to record it, just to make sure.
Isn't your GoPro filming?
Yeah.
Is your GoPro filming?
I'm not sure. Sorry. Hold on. I don't want to turn it off.
Do a favour, mate. Could you go into the front office and see if they're aware of this gentleman outside?
Can you please record me? Can you record me?
No. Listen to what my.
Yeah, but I want to make sure.
This is all being recorded anyway.
Okay.
Audio and visual.
Okay.
Have you got any ID, sir?
So, have I committed a crime?
Right, we'll go down the route then. You're now detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. you're going to be stopped and searched. Part of that, I need your details so I can check to see who you are, and we have the power.
But you're abusing. Okay, so if I don't give you my name, are you going to arrest me?
I'm not saying I'm going to arrest you. I'm saying you'll be detained. I've asked you the reason why you're filming.
Yeah.
You told me for a story.
Yeah. I'm independent journalist.
Which is fine. I understand that. But you can't tell me the story. So
I cannot tell you the story, right? Because I'm working on it. It's not finished yet, sir.
But you must have the concept.
Alan challenges the officers head-on, demanding they explain what actual evidence supports their suspicion. They fall back on vague claims of his nervous behavior and feelings, unable to provide anything concrete. Alan dismantles their reasoning, pointing out the difference between lawful suspicion and mere assumptions. The exchange becomes a powerful demonstration of how easily authority can be misused when not properly questioned.
Yes, sir.
What's the story about that?
I told you, I'm just walking around London and filming.
But you said you're making a film about the police station.
Police station, whatever I see, maybe the other things I see.
What's the reason for that?
I'm independent journalist. This is what the journalists do. Go around and film. That's it.
But there's got to be the story you're doing.
Yeah.
There's some context to that story.
Yeah, but the context, I don't know what I'm going to see, right?
That's why you've been searched. Because you can't tell me why you're here.
I don't agree. I don't agree on any search and seizure. Okay. Sorry, what's your name and the show number?
5458.
5458. Okay. Okay.
So are you recording that just for information?
I hope so.
Okay, that's fine. Have you got any?
But I don't answer any questions.
Right, I'm going to ask you one question. If you don't want to answer, you don't have to. Have you got anything on you that can harm me or harm
I don't answer any questions.
I'm Sergeant Mark Coates. Warrant numbers 218.
Sergeant Mark Coates.
218186. Attached to Southwark Police Station. You are
218186.
You are detained under Section 43.
I don't agree. I don't agree with any search seizure. I'm gonna file a civil claim against you because you're violating my rights. I'm staying on public property, peacefully exercising my rights to film in public. I've done nothing wrong.
I haven't seen you done anything wrong.
What grounds do you have to believe I'm a terrorist?
I didn't say you were a terrorist.
So why are you using Section 43 of Terrorism Act if I'm not a terrorist?
Because you are filming outside a police station.
But you said I'm not a terrorist, sir.
I didn't say you're a terrorist. I said you're detained under Section.
A sergeant arrives, and Alan turns to him for impartial judgment. Instead of balance, the sergeant echoes the same flimsy justifications, fiddling in a shop, looking around nervously, glancing at a van. Alan rejects these claims outright, demanding actual lawful grounds. The encounter now pits one man against multiple officers and a sergeant, exposing the imbalance of power when rights are pushed aside.
We're just dealing with something at the moment. There's a secure door there with a keypad. While you've been filming, officers have been coming and going. As far as I'm concerned, that footage you have might have got their keypad code, which means you could gain access to that building. I'm not saying that's the reason you were doing it, but that could be the reason. And obviously that's a security risk for us. When I've asked you the nature of why you're here, you said you're a journalist.
Sir.
Let me explain to you.
Okay.
You asked me to explain.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to explain to you. You told me you're a journalist, which is fine, and you've got the right, you're in a public place to do that. But when you're filming a secure building and a police building and an electronic keypad and officers coming and going, when I asked you why you're doing that, you told me it's because of the story. If you had a story, then you would know what the grounds for that story was. Unless you just woke up today and thought, I'm going to go to the police station to film. And I've asked you what the story is about. Is it for your personal use? Is it going to go on to a magazine? Is it going to a newspaper? And you can't tell me that reason because you said you haven't got a story yet. So that gives me grounds to suspect that you may not be here for that reason. Therefore, you are detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. You will be searched, your phone will be searched, and we will look at the photographs on your phone. Does that explain it to you?
I don't answer any questions.
Have you got anything on you that's going to harm?
I don't answer any questions.
I'm going to ask the question. If you don't interrupt me, I'll ask the question. If you don't want to answer, you don't have to. Have you got anything on you that could harm me or you?
I don't answer any questions.
Okay. Step away from the wall. You can put your arms down. Put your arms up. Have you ever been arrested before, sir?
I don't answer any questions. You're violating my rights. I'm going to file a civil lawsuit against you. I've done nothing wrong.
Explain the reason why you've been searched.
I've done nothing wrong. I'm standing on the public sidewalk. You're violating my rights with this search.
The officers repeat themselves, almost word for word, leaning on the same weak excuses. Alan refuses to back down, dissecting every point with sharp precision. After prolonged pressure, the handcuffs are finally removed, but not because the officers admit fault, only because they can no longer justify their position. It's a small victory in the middle of a tense confrontation, showing the strength of persistence.
I don't agree on that. You seize my phone
We haven't
You're
seized
searching
your
me.
phone.
You took it away from me.
Because I believe you were attempting to switch it off.
But you cannot stop me of doing what I want with my phone.
I've asked you twice not to try and touch your phone because I believe you might.
Then because my hand was tired.
You keep talking over me. I can't explain unless you let me explain to you.
I don't answer any questions.
You don't answer the question, but I'm going to explain why we've got your phone back. On 2 occasions, while you were filming me, which you've got the right to do, in the building, in my opinion, you attempted to switch the phone either on or off and possibly delete some footage on that phone.
So you prevent me from using my technology.
So let me finish. So I told you on one occasion, please do not attempt to switch your phone off and do anything with it, which you stopped doing. Then on the second occasion, you tried to do exactly the same. I told you if you carried on doing that, your phone will be taken off you. And that's what we've done. We haven't seized your phone. We are going to examine your phone for photographs under section 43, but we haven't seized your phone. We have the power to seize your phone if we feel there is evidence on there. But at the moment we haven't seized it. We've just taken it off you to stop you trying to delete stuff. Does that explain it?
I don't answer any questions.
Can you turn around for me again?
This is unlawful. Unlawful. I've done nothing wrong. Yeah. We'll hear from me. I'm going to file a lawsuit against you. This is absolutely illegal what you're doing. I do not agree on searching my back.
You may not agree on it, sir, but I've tried to explain on a number of occasions.
Yeah.
Attention shifts to accountability. Alan asks for a search slip, the legal record of the stop, but officers try to dodge responsibility. They claim it's all digital and that he can collect it later at the station. Alan refuses to let this pass, holding firm that proper procedure must be followed. The clash here is less about suspicion and more about whether the officers will leave any trace of their actions.
I don't agree on that. This is unlawful search of my back. Unlawful. Sorry, what are you expecting to find, sir? You have to tell me what you're expecting to find from my back under section 43 of Terrorism Act. What are you expecting to find, sir?
There may be evidence that you are using...
Like what?
If you're not going to keep talking over me, I'm not going to be able to explain to you.
Okay, you have to tell me before starting the search, actually. Can you tell me what you're expecting to find in my back and in myself?
I'll explain to you. You've been detained under section 43 of the Terrorism Act because we have the power to search your phone and your bag and you for any article.
But you have to tell me. You have to tell me.
You don't want to talk or you do want to talk?
I just want to understand.
Any article that you may use in the event of planning a terrorist attack.
Like what?
Any article. A camera, a weapon, anything.
So you're searching for weapons?
Anything, sir. What's in this box?
I don't answer questions.
Frustration peaks as Alan and the sergeant exchange final words. Alan calls out the nonsense of their claims, repeating that he has been unlawfully detained. The sergeant, unwilling to concede, insists on his authority. Alan walks away, still demanding accountability, making it clear this was not just a misunderstanding. It was a violation of his basic rights. The narrator steps in to analyze everything we've just seen. The officer's reasons are torn apart one by one, accusing Alan of giving evils, of being nervous, of fiddling in a shop. None of it stands up to legal scrutiny. The sergeant's failure to intervene only adds to the sense of injustice. This commentary strips away the excuses and leaves only one truth. This was a detention built on nothing but shaky claims. The aftermath tells the rest of the story. Alan files a complaint, which is swiftly dismissed. Refusing to give up, he takes the police to court and wins £8,500 in damages. But the victory comes with heartbreak. Alan sadly passed away before he ever received the payout. The video closes with a tribute, reminding us why audits matter and why accountability can never be ignored. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.